Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Ever fix something on your car like the battery or throttle body and suddenly it runs weird, rough idle, odd shifting, or power windows acting up? It's frustrating when you finish a repair and new problems pop up, even though you did everything right. Most people think they broke something else and head to a mechanic, but often, it's just your car's computer needing a reset. When you disconnect the battery, your car's computers lose their learned settings and revert to factory defaults, which might not suit your engine anymore. The good news? There's a simple, free procedure you can do at home to help your car relearn and run smoothly again. No fancy tools needed, just a few easy steps. Let's dive in and save you a trip to the shop. Modern cars have a network of computers, engine, transmission, body modules, all working together. These modules learn and adapt to your driving style and your car's unique condition. They store this info in memory powered by the battery, even when the car's off. Disconnecting the battery wipes that memory so the computers forget all their fine-tuned adjustments. When you reconnect, the car runs on generic factory settings, which can cause rough idle or weird shifting. The relearn procedure helps your car's computers quickly adapt to your engine's real-world condition. Let's see how to get your car's brain back on track. So, how do we reset those confused computers? With a universal manual relearn procedure, no tools required, by following a specific sequence, key cycles, idling, and turning on accessories, you guide the car's computer to relearn key settings. Turning the key to on wakes up the modules. Idling lets the engine computer relearn airflow and idle speed. Adding a load, like turning on the AC, teaches it to handle real-world stress. Think of it as a setup wizard for your car's brain. This simple sequence works for most vehicles and can fix common post-repair issues. It's safe, easy, and a great first step before heading to a mechanic. Ready to try it? Here's how to perform the universal relearn procedure. Park in a safe, well-ventilated area. Make sure the battery is fully charged and all accessories are off. Step 1. Insert the key and turn it to the on position. Don't start the engine. Wait 60 seconds, then turn it off. Step 2. Start the engine. Let it idle in park, or neutral, without touching the gas for 5 to 10 minutes, until it reaches normal operating temperature. Step 3. With the engine idling and fully warmed up, turn the AC to max. Let it idle for another 5 minutes. Turn the AC off and let it idle for 1 more minute. Turn off the engine. That's it. This sequence helps the computer relearn idle and load settings. If your car doesn't have AC, you can use headlights or another electrical load. Be patient. Let each step run its full time. This process is simple but powerful. Now, let's talk about what to look for as your car relearns. You're almost done. As you go through the steps, listen for clicks or buzzing from the throttle body. This means it's recalibrating. During idle, watch the tachometer. If your idle was rough before, it should start to smooth out as the computer relearns. When you turn on the AC, the RPMs might dip briefly, then stabilize, showing the computer is adjusting to the load. Power windows or other features that stopped working after a battery disconnect may start working again after this reset. Small fluctuations in idle are normal at first. Look for a trend towards smoother operation. If things are improving, you're on the right track. This process helps all your car's modules get back in sync. Now, let's finish with a test drive. After the relearn, take your car for a gentle 15-20 minute drive. Mix city and highway if you can. Pay attention. Is the idle smooth at stops? Are shifts normal? Do accessories work again? This drive helps the computers fine-tune their settings in real-world conditions. Use this trick after disconnecting the battery, replacing the alternator, or cleaning the throttle body. It's also a great first step if you suddenly get a rough idle or weird shifting. This simple procedure can save you hundreds in diagnostic fees. Don't panic after a repair. Try the relearn first. Remember the secret handshake and get your car running smoothly the Chris Fix way. You've got this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.